Follow along with me or Thing if you want to rock out this Wednesday look. I'm starting off with applying foundation all over the face. Next, contour under your cheekbones, your forehead, the sides of your nose, and your jawline. I'm just adding a deeper contour to look more gaunt here. I'm just adding a tiny dimple to resemble Jenny Ortega. Now I'm just lightly filling in my brows. To start off the eyeshadow, I'm using eyeshadow primer. I'm using a cool tone eyeshadow palette like this one from Colourpop. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm going into a light gray eyeshadow and applying that all over my eyelids. Now with a smaller fluffy brush, I'm going into a darker gray eyeshadow and going into the outer corner of my eye, stopping halfway. To line my eyes, I'm using this dark brown gel eyeliner pencil. And I'm just creating a slight wing, nothing too dramatic. Now I'm also lining the lower part of my lash line and stopping halfway and smudging that with an eyeliner brush. Then I'm just setting that with the lighter gray eyeshadow. Doing these steps keeps the eyeliner in place and prevents it from smudging. Now taking a nude eyeliner pencil, I'm taking that on my lower waterline. This helps to open up my eyes more. Now time to heat up my lash curler. Before you curl your lashes, touch it to make sure it's not too hot. Curl your lashes and apply mascara. Now I'm taking some wispy lashes and applying that to my eyes to help open up my eyes even more. With a brown liquid liner, I'm just drawing some lashes on my lower lashes because my natural lashes are basically non-existent. Now with an eyeliner brush, I'm taking a brown eyeshadow and just deepening my top lash line even more. So it turns out I can barely see it. So now I'm going in with the darker gray eyeshadow and just going over the lash line even further, and that looks better. Now going back to the small fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm mixing the light gray and medium gray eyeshadow, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line, and this makes a huge difference to make my eyes look bigger. And then whatever's left on my eyeshadow brush, I'm just deepening my dark circles to have that sunken, I didn't get enough sleep look. With lips, I'm taking a Burgundy and Plum lip liner and lipstick. I'm just dabbing off my lip balm here and lining my lips with the lip pencil. Now taking my clean finger, I'm going to smudge that lip line to make it look faded. And then I'm taking the lipstick and applying that to the center of my lips. To deepen that color, I'm adding a black lipstick to the top of my lips. And then I'm going to smudge it with my fingers to make it look dark and faded. And just a little bit to the bottom of my lips. It's not as dark, but it looks good enough. Now I'm just adding a bit of a dimple to the center of my lips to look like Jenny Ortega's lips. Now for the hair, I'm splitting my hair right down the middle. And then I'm going to braid my pigtails, just like Wednesday Addams. Now for the bangs, I have these clip-on hair extensions, and I'm going to clip that right to the top of my hairline. For the outfit, I'm just wearing a white button-collared shirt, a black tie, gray sweater vest, and a black jacket. And there we have it, the finished look. What do you guys think? Whether you want to do this for Halloween or just rock a Wednesday vibe, I hope this tutorial was helpful. And I don't even know what I'm doing here. I can't even dance. Don't mind me, I'm just being silly. So I noticed as I was getting unready that I looked better without the brown contacts I was wearing. So in these pictures that I edited, I changed the color of my eyes back to brown. And now they look better. What do you think? Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.